So we're going to go in with our blooming gel, and we're going to paint that all over the nail. Then we're going to take our deep brown gel color, and we're going to pat that in patchy spots, kind of like all over the nail, and we're going to allow that to bloom.
Don't worry about that. Still got the same ones controlling my back. The virus ain't real, I don't know about that. Bit broke my heart, made a song about that. The kid about to blow, ask your hoe about that. About to blow my check, blow low about that, yeah. About to blow my check, blow low about that, yeah. I told the pilot, don't leave me, believe me. I told my baby, don't leave me too. Some of this shit.
Now we're gonna go over this with an amber jelly. I'm using the jelly to kind of help the design have some depth to it once I add the black over all of the brown spots. These are the results that you will get after curing. We're going to repeat those same steps. So in the end, this is what it will look like. I'm going to take this red color and give it a border because I believe up against the tortoise print, the red is going to give it a pop and it's going to look really elegant with the rest of the design.
Saying you can count on that, don't worry about that. Still got the same ones controlling my back. The virus ain't real, I don't know about that. Bit broke my heart.
And here is the final look for that. It looks good. Now we're going to go in and we're going to start our pinky. We're going to do a French on this nail, and I'm going to cure it, and I'm going to come back and let you see what it looks like. So this is what we're looking like after a cure. Now, I don't know what this design is called, but it's like where you put the little hump looking things, you know, down the nail that come from the side. It looks really cool, but I'm putting this 3D art gel on the sides so I can, you know, create the little bubbles so I can drag my brush down and then it'll create the design. Like I said, I'm not sure what the design is called, but once you see the design, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
I'm on the brink to remaining the same and changing the game. I've been blowing the bank, still going and saying you can count on that, don't worry about that. Still got the same ones controlling my back. The virus ain't real, I don't know about that.
Okay, so now we have the finished design, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do the middle finger on this one, and this design is like a 2 French back to back. I don't know what this design is called either, but I'm sure once you see it, you'll know what kind of design it is. So this was the design I was talking about. I'm going to add a charm in the middle. There's going to be a bow, and I'm using the same like art gel or 3D nail glue to hold it on, so to make sure it's really secure and it doesn't come off. This is the end result of that. Next, we're going to go into the thumb, and we're going to do a French like the pinky, and we're going to add the exact same design to that.
Ask your hoe about that. About to blow my check, blow low about that, yeah. About to blow my check, blow low about that, yeah. I told the pilot, don't leave me, believe me. I told my baby, don't leave me too. Some of this shit insane, I blame me. Yeah, sometimes I leave me too. I'm on the brakes, remaining the same and changing. Game been blowing the bank, still going and saying you count on that. Don't worry about this, still got the same ones controlling my back.
So this is the end result for that nail. I'm going to leave a picture so you guys can see the results. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.